Good morning, Arlington. So let's start off with a great big shout out to everyone that came out Friday to support our Admirals going up to state competitions. Also, a shout out to Anis Abidar, 11th grader, for achieving his personal best at the New York State Cross Country Championships in Queensbury, New York, as well as our girls soccer team with a win over Saratoga Springs on Saturday. They're going to the finals today. Against Melville. Now, as of recording this video, do not have a final score of the match. It's been a tough match. Go Admirals. Now, so far this week, we have a lot to review. On Tuesday, November 19th, in the morning, we're hosting the Rachel's Challenge Assembly for our 9th and 10th grade students. Then also at 11 o'clock on the 19th, we have Coffee, Cake, and Conversation with me. And then at 6 p.m. on the 19th is also a sports award recognition for all our fall teams. Then on the 20th at 6:30 at night, we have our PTSA meeting in the library. And then on the 21st, we have our National Honor Society induction ceremony in the LGI for our seniors. I'd also like to remind our families regarding the activity bus that all students are riding the activity bus at 3:15 must have their bus pass as well as their ID card. Now, also, support our student government food drive. It ends this week. Each grade level has a specific item. Don't worry about it. If you want to support it, please send in something to each of the house offices. And then our first marking period grades are viewable in SchoolTool as of Friday. So please access SchoolTool. There's a link to do that. And then reach out to your classroom teachers or our house office counselors if you have any questions regarding that. So again, go Admirals. Check out our Instagram page, our XVs, our Twitter, all that at Google Classroom. Each grade level has a Google Classroom. Take care, be well, go Admirals.